Where are you going? Wait. I have a cat. It doesn't matter. Where are you going? Stop your scrolling. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to flip this trailer to make money off of it. I bought this trailer for $300 and I have this cat here for free. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to flip this. And then hopefully we can make money. This is our $250 trailer. Look at this. Got a bunch of garbage in the back. That mower, we got it for a different video, but we are going to be painting this trailer. We're going to be fixing it up, making it look good, and then we're going to be able to sell it hopefully for a good profit. All right, guys, moment is here. Let's get these cats out of the way. Let's see what we can do with this trailer. All right, now the first thing we have to do is we have to get this little cat out of here. Come here, buddy. We got a bunch of cats. They want to help us flip this trailer. First, we have to get this mower out of here. Come on. As I try not to break everything. This thing on the back is dirty. So now we're gonna clean it, all right? We're gonna clean this all. 3, 2, 1, bah! There you go, nice and clean. Next portion, look at these lights. These lights are absolutely destroyed. This one, it's there, but it's duct taped. And we don't want that. We're gonna be replacing the lights, making everything look good. Let's see if we can flip this trailer and rewire it. All right. This takes flipping trailers to a whole nother meaning. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, we did it. This is the underside of our trailer. We have a little bit of rust going on right down there in that corner. And this is how the wiring is looking. Not the greatest. All right, so you can see how the trailer is wired. We have all these bundles of mess of wire. It's going in through this hole here, goes through the tube, comes out that side and goes to all the individual lights. Now I gotta say, flipping this trailer was easier than what I had expected, but it's still kind of heavy though. I don't want it falling on me. It's very wobbly this way, but this will be the easiest way for us to wire up the new lights that I'm gonna have in 3, 2, 1. There we go, here are the new lights. 2 back LEDs and some kind of a license plate mounting thing. So this is what we'll need. Wires in the back. Let's just open it up. Here you can see the lights. We have 1 light, 2 lights. We have our wiring harness right over here. And we have our license plate mounting bracket and a bunch of little clips. All right, let's get going. And so now that we have the trailer on its side, this, in my opinion, looks janky and gross. So we're gonna be removing these zip ties. Now, I'm not a big fan of the way this is all looking because that pin doesn't look good, and this is what the buyer's gonna see. Here is our new one. We have a ton of wire. All right, so we're gonna be removing the old wiring harness. All that old tape has to come off. How are we connected? Come back here, figure out what's going on. Oh, that's nice. This is just a taped together joint. This is the kind of wiring that we're working with on our trailer. This is what's stopping you from getting pulled over. This was not done right. So we will make sure it gets done correctly. Yeah, no, this was not done right. So we will not be doing it that way. All right, the wires are off. Now we should only have to come back here and pull them out. There you go, that's the wiring harness. Now I don't have all my tools on me at the moment to be able to unscrew that, but here you can see, all we have left is the ground. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get ready. And I couldn't get the wire through there because it was hitting these bolts. So I'm gonna have to take this coupler off, and I don't have any tools on me, so I have a vice grip and an adjustable wrench that has seen some days. And this is what I'm working with here. So let's see if we can take this off. Slowly but surely. Ooh. There's one. There's two. Boom, there you go. Now we can feed our wires through here. I've actually run into a problem. Look at these welds. That one, yeah, that looks all right, but some of the welds on this machine here, on this trailer, are not good. So before we can do the wiring, we are gonna have to fix some of the welds. And there's this hole down here, I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. I am going to at least have to reinforce to that. All right, guys, well, we can't do everything in one day. There's a lot more work on this trailer that meets the eye. Bad welds, a lot of paint, and fresh wiring. It's winter, it's cold, it gets dark at 5. And I don't like working in the cold. So we're gonna have to flip this trailer back, and I think we'll just go ahead and remove the boards. So let me try to not crush myself as I flip this heavy thing back. Whoa. Yeah. There you go, flipped it back. Now what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna use a mixture of force persuasion and taking bolts out. Force persuasion doesn't always work as well. There we go. There's one side down. That didn't go quite to plan as what I wanted it to. I was gonna give it one nice swing, and I was gonna do a slow-mo of how it flew apart, but now it's just broken. All right, I guess we'll remove this. It's one piece. So what we'll do is we'll remove all these nuts, take off all this wood. There's one. We'll take off these little ones down here as well. There we go. Here's another. Now it is cold outside and I'm sweating at the same time. Get the hammer. Ah, we have that one yet. That one's not even tight. Huh. It's rusted though. There. There's another one. Huh. All right. Now we go to the back side. This light keeps being in my way. There. Since the light was broken anyway, it didn't matter. Be able to lift this out of here, but we'll see. There, one side. We're still connected right here. All right, I guess that comes with as well. Ta-da, this is where we're at so far. Boom. All right, let's go to the other side. Get the wood off. There, I'll leave it in -6 zoom, maybe that'll be better. I don't think that the wood helped any with it rusting out in literally all 4 corners. But, you know, got it for $250, but it was on Marketplace for $300. And I think if I fix it up, I can sell it for where I'm around at. I think I can sell it for about close to $900, I think. We will see, but I know for profits for sure. At least I'm pretty sure. I guess we'll see if I wasted all my time on this or not. Come on. There. Now we'll go do the other side. Oh, you guys can see. Nice. I like this -6 zoom a lot better then. Okay. Oop. There. We still have one bolt on this side holding it all together. This one right here. There. There. Ta-da! No more wood. Nice. As you can clearly see right here, it needs to be welded, or something needs to be done there. Trying to think if I got a piece of angle iron and just welded it onto here, same on the other side, it would look good, it'd be cheap to do, and we'd be good. I think that'd be the best bet. All these ugly zip ties. And then we have our little latch. We'll have to hold that there while we're welding it so that we know the latch is closed. Still hinges nice. It's a nice trailer. It is a Versa Sport trailer. It is, I believe, some kind of a snow bear because it says www.snowbear.com. Well, let me tell ya, it's definitely very thin gauge steel, but that's what you expect for a small trailer. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got the wood off. We kind of destroyed the trailer's wiring, and we're gonna have to redo it. There's gonna have to be some welded parts on this. We're gonna have to paint it. I have the paint already, but we're gonna have to weld it before we paint it. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, share it with a friend. I want to see if I can get monetized as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching already. Until next time. All right. A ton of you keep watching my videos, but you're not subscribed.
I don't know who you are. I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
Like and subscribe.
But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you.
And you're not getting a cookie. Subscribe.
Good luck.
I will find you.